Hi Dipanshu, say hi to the camera. Finally we have reached here in Lodi Garden. It is so beautiful, man. Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am again here at Jor Bagh because it has been a very long time since I had gone anywhere. So that is the reason why I decided that I need to get out of my home and I need to just go and explore some places. So I decided to go with one of my friends from my ex-company and he is already here with me. Hi Dipanshu, say hi to the camera. So I got this friend from my ex-company and he was one of the most amazing person whom I met. So he recently bought this camera and this selfie stick from CP and now he also wants to just create some vlogs. Anyways, we have to go to Lodi Garden but we don't really know what is the route, so we are just roaming around. If we find any auto we will just ask from him about the route because we do not really want to spend money just for a short distance, because last time when I came here, so at that time we booked a cab, we booked an auto, right? We came by auto. So last time we booked an auto and it charged us 30 rupees per person and the distance was not even 500 meters. So that is the reason we just want to know the route and we will just go on through. Finally we have reached here in Lodi Garden and you know, like we decided very late. हमको कब से डिसाइड कर लेना चाहिए था कि हम इतने बजे से करेंगे, लेकिन हमने प्लान किया कि हम 4 बजे घर से निकलेंगे और हम यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं 5:30 या 6 बजे के आसपास. And now it's almost evening now and all the lights are turned on here, so I think it's not really the right time for us to stay here because we live really far. But let me just show this to you guys. It is so beautiful here. Just look at this tomb. Like, let me just show you from the front side how it looks like. But before that, just get the view of this. Just look at this, how beautiful it is. There are so many people here. A lot of people come here for exercise. Oh my god. There are so many dogs as well. So you gotta be really careful while coming here. And this is how it looks like. It is a very nice place for your friends. I mean, if you want to come with your family members, if you want to come with your friends, if you want to come with your dates, it is literally one of the best places in Delhi. And this is one of my favorite places in Delhi as well because I really love this place so much. I've come here for like 5 to 6 times and I'm again back here. But this is the first time when I'm here at this time. I mean, in evening time, I'm here for the very first time. And it is also a very nice place if you... Oh my god. So there was a conflict going on between two people and I'm already in the front side and it looks amazing, man. I mean, it is already amazing, but at this time it looks even more amazing. So let me just show it to you from the front side. Look at this. This is the front side. I know that my camera quality is not really good, but I cannot do anything about it because I don't really have the budget to buy a new phone right now. So I'm just going with the flow. I'm just going with this phone. So this is the front side. This is the front view of this place. And there are many people from different countries as well. So that is the reason why I'm saying this is one of the best places because it also comes under posh area. Now we have also decided to go somewhere else as well. But let's see if we leave from here on time because while taking the exit, it obviously is going to take us for like 10 minutes to get out of this place and then go somewhere else. Oh my god. It is so beautiful, man. I'm so in love with this view.
एंड देन हमें यहाँ पे एक ये छोटा सा लेक दिखाई दिया जो बहुत ही सुंदर था. आई नो कि रात के टाइम आप देख नहीं पा रहे हो इसमें, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फाउंटेन्स थे एंड यहाँ पे बैठने में बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था, बहुत ही रिलैक्सिंग फील हो रहा था. एंड यहाँ पे बहुत ही कूल जो फाउंटेन्स के वाटर के स्प्रिंकल्स आपके फेस पे पड़ते हैं जब, इट जस्ट फील्स सो अमेजिंग, सो नाइस. और फिर लोधी गार्डन से निकलने के बाद हम इंडिया गेट गए जहाँ पे हमने एक बर्गर खाया और मोमोज खाए विच वॉज नॉट वर्थ इट एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी डिसाइडेड टू नॉट ईट एनीथिंग एल्स. दैट वाज ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय गाइस, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.